Imagine a man who rose from nothing, captivated millions, and led the world into chaos. A man whose name alone sparks fear, curiosity, and endless debates. But who really was Adolf Hitler? Was he a strategic genius or the most deluded man in history? Stick around because what you are about to hear might shock you. Before he became the most feared man of the 20th century, Hitler was just a struggling artist. Yeah, you heard that right. A guy with big dreams of painting landscapes but got rejected from art school. Not once, but twice. Ever felt like life shut a door in your face? Well, Hitler sure did. Maybe if they had just let him into art school, history would have been a lot different. Imagine a world where Hitler is famous for painting flowers instead of waging war. But rejection was not only his only struggle. He was homeless, broke, and completely lost. Then came World War I, a moment that changed everything for him. World War I gave Hitler a purpose. He served as a soldier, survived gas attacks, and won medals. But after Germany lost the war, he didn't just take the loss, he saw it as a betrayal. And that betrayal would fuel his next move, one that would shake the world. Germany was in ruins. People were starving, desperate, looking for someone to blame, and guess what stepped in? Hitler. He promised greatness, and people listened. After all, when you are drawing, you will grab onto anything that looks like a lifeline. With charisma and relentless propaganda, Hitler climbed the political ladder. In 1933, he became Chancellor of Germany. But here is where things took a terrifying turn. He was not just after power, he wanted control, absolute control, and he was willing to do anything to get it. He silenced opposition, controlled the media, and turned Germany into a war machine. And the world, it watched until it was too late. By 1939, Hitler had one goal: dominate the world. He invaded Poland, triggering the deadliest war in history. Millions died, cities burned, the world was on fire. At this point, was he a genius strategist or just a man playing with fire and hoping not to get burned? But arrogance he has consequences. By 1945, his empire was crumbling. His allies abandoned him. The walls of his bunker closed in. And just like that, the man who wanted to rule the world was left with no escape. April 30, 1945, Hitler took his own life in a dark, cold bunker. The war ended days later, but the scars he left, they still remain. So, was he a military genius or just a master manipulator doomed by his own ambition? Drop your thoughts in the comments. But here is the real question. What if Hitler had won the war? The world would be unrecognizable? Curious? Click on this video to see what could have happened if history had taken a different turn.